This video is about cat's claw herb and herbs from the Amazon. I'm Barbara with the Alternative Health and Beauty channel, where being healthy is beautiful. And welcome back to my beloved subscribers. If you're new here, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and you'll be notified to new videos as soon as they come out. So cat's claw herb has just so many health benefits, and I'm just going to barely touch on some of the main categories of benefits in this video. It is native to the Amazon rainforest and is known as a life-giving plant in Peru. So it's very, very commonly used in South America. Cat's claw repairs your DNA, and that alone is a great reason to take this awesome herbal benefit supplement. The roots and the barks are what's used to make the supplement, and they can be made into tea and tinctures and also capsules, and there's different formulas that have cat's claw in them. One of the ones I particularly like is the Alpha Brain by Onnit, and I'll put a link in the description in case you'd like to try to get that sometime. I believe they have discounts and also a free trial for that. This antiviral herb is also anti-inflammatory. It boosts your immune system. It helps with your digestion and all of your digestive processes. It's good for being a very strong antioxidant, and it's great for your brain health. And if you have problems with diabetes or any kind of insulin resistance. I'm going to do a follow-up video on this, but this is Barbara with the Alternative Health and Beauty channel, and I thank you for watching this great new video on cat's claw.